So we're going to take our scrubbing bubbles and we're just going to coat our oven down real good. The glass and all. So you can find it pretty much anywhere. So I'm going to let that set a few minutes before we start scrubbing it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. We've been doing a lot of cleaning videos and we've been using scrubbing bubbles. Well, today I'm going to be cleaning something that I've been trying to avoid, that I have not been looking forward to on cleaning. But it's springtime, so we've been doing a lot of spring cleaning, and this one is what's next. We've already done the top of our stove, and the backsplash, and even the front. And now it's time to do the inside of the oven. I sure have been dreading this, but it's that time. So y'all come on, and we're going to see if our scrubbing bubbles can clean our oven. It done a great job on our blinds. If y'all hadn't watched that video, go back and look at the blind video. It done an excellent job on the blinds. We cleaned our filter under the stove, the top glass of the stove, and the back and the front. And now it's time to dive inside the stove and see what the scrubbing bubbles can do for your oven. Let's get started. Well, okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. Let me turn the camera around so I can show y'all how bad this oven is. So we're going to test this and see. And look at the rack. That needs it too. So we're going to see what this can do for our oven. So we've already took this mat out. I'm going to lay it up here on that rack for now, but that's got to be clean too. So far, using the scrubbing bubbles, we've got great results, especially on the blinds. It cleaned them perfect. And the filter and the glass top. So we're going to take our scrubbing bubbles and we're just going to coat our oven down real good. The glass and all. Now I'm going to hold this burner up and we're going to spray all in there. Now this can of scrubbing bubbles is like $4 at Walmart. And even the Dollar General carries them. So you can find it pretty much anywhere. So I'm going to let that set a few minutes before we start scrubbing it. Okay, we're going to be using this little scrubby that I crocheted. I'll link it down below. I've done a video on how to make these. But we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to start scrubbing and see what kind of results we get. Now y'all look how it's turning and pulling that up off the stove. See how those bubbles are turning that brown color? So it is pulling the grease or whatever that is baked on there out. Okay, now that we've scrubbed it 3 or 4 times, we're going to take some wet. Actually, I'm going to start off with dry paper towels. And then we'll go back with a wet paper towel and see what happens. What it winds up looking like. Right? Just look at all that that's coming off. Even some real big buildup. Okay, now I'm going to do a wet cloth. So now we're just going to take a wet paper towel and wipe over it good to remove all the leftover scrub and bubble soap. But you can tell, even with this just wet cloth, it's still getting up some leftover traces. Okay, y'all, that's what the door looks like. But we still have to finish the inside. But I think overall, that door looks pretty good. So that right there does show you that scrubbing bubbles will work in your oven. So now, let's get started on the inside. This is a job that I've been putting off, but I'm maybe halfway there. Not quite, but that door was a big job. Look at that. Already coming off. Now, it's hard to make a video of cleaning an oven. I've done this one time before on some homemade oven cleaner, but today we're using the scrubbing bubbles. Well, I didn't have my microphone hooked up, but I do now. So maybe y'all can hear me better. Sure is dirty. So now we're going to take a paper towel and try to wipe it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. But just look at all that that's coming off. So that right there shows you can wash an oven with scrubbing bubbles. You can buy one kind of cleaner. They don't want us to know that. They make us think it's just for the bathroom. But we've already showed that you can wash different things with scrubbing bubbles. I pretty much wiped it out real good with a dry paper towel. So now I'm going to wet me some paper towels. And I'm using the paper towels so I don't mess up my, my rags. At least I can throw these out. But we are getting it clean. So now we have around 4 or 5 wet paper towels, and we're just going to wipe it down real good. In today's video, we cleaned the inside of our oven with Scrubbin' Bubbles. I think it worked great. I got great results using Scrubbin' Bubbles. We've been doing a lot of spring cleaning here on Small Town Southern Wife to see what all you can clean with Scrubbin' Bubbles. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that new hype button. And like always, Travis and myself want to just say a big thanks for watching our videos. And y'all don't forget to share them if you think somebody else you know might would enjoy them. If you hadn't subscribed already, consider subscribing. And like always, happy cleaning. Do y'all think it looks pretty good? Don't forget to leave a comment down below.